Hello! Today I was going to talk about legs up the wall and why scientifically it's such a great option for you. We're going to go ahead and get started, and after we're in the position, I'm going to share some of the scientific research with you. If you just want to mute that part and just enjoy a quiet legs up the wall, you can feel free. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to find a wall where we can just scoot our hips as close to the wall as possible, gently lean back, and then bring those legs up to the wall. Finding nice long length happening through those legs. You could do a gentle open V. You could bend the knees if that feels better, or you can just keep them straight up the wall. So if this is working well for you, you can stay here and hang out. If you want to try another option, you could use a bolster, which I have here. The block on its short end here, and then a long end here. So your short end is right there, long end is right here. You can use a blanket as a pillow additionally as well. You're going to put it about hip distance away from the wall to support you. Find that wall, scoot those hips close, lean back, and put those legs up the wall. So you can just find a gentle, relaxing position here. Third option is to use our chair. So we have our chair to the side over here. And just get nice and comfortable. You can use that chair to support those legs. If you don't have access to a wall, you can just use that chair to gently support those feet. So whichever position you want to be in, you can enjoy that for the next few minutes. I'm just going to share a little bit about scientific research that supports why this is such a great option for you. I think I'm going to move to my second option because it's just so comfortable. Putting the legs up the wall, letting me have a nice little back support here. So one of the best reasons why we have our feet up the wall is it allows that blood to just come down the legs and shows our brain that it's okay, it's safe. You don't have to panic. So the sympathetic system calms down, and the parasympathetic system, it says, yep, it's okay to just rest and digest and be calm. Another reason is that it helps calm our blood pressure down. It helps improve that heart rate variability, that sign of resilience. It helps improve our GABA levels, which are those neurotransmitters that medications like Xanax trigger to have more calm. So you can do it naturally just by putting your feet up the wall here. If you wanted another variation, you could use a pillowcase, as I have here, and you can just find the opening and place your toes in to the ends, send it up the wall, open it up to the side, and you don't even have to worry about holding your legs up. They just are naturally supported there if you like the extra restorative part. Another thing you could try is to use a nice calm, cooling thing over the eyes. You could just gently place that over your eyes and add a little bit of gentle relaxation. You could place a blanket, if you like, over your midsection here. And that adds some grounding and just nice sensation of calm. So there's all sorts of things that you could do to help make this your position of comfort. If you do it before bedtime, it can help you fall asleep faster. It helps you just let go of all the stress from the day and be in the nice, calm frame of mind. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's legs up the wall and that you practice it at nighttime, maybe before you go to bed. You could even put your legs up against the side of your bed right before you climb in if you don't have a wall accessible in your bedroom, and it makes it nice and easy. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day.